There were 115 homes that went under contract for every 100 homes that came to the market. This indicates a consistent buyer interest with continued inventory constraints for the overall Maryland market. It's Friday, December 17th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Closed sales were down 1.1% from last year this time, but up 19.9% from pre-COVID closed sales of 2019. New listing inventory is actually down 12.2% compared to last year this same time. So here's what the inventory breakdown looks like for this past week in Maryland. There are 449 properties listed in coming soon status, reflecting another drop in potential inventory. 1,115 homes came to the market over the past week, up a bit from last week. 733 homes went under contract, up 10.3%. 1,644 are temporarily off the market, steady. 1,206 moved to pending, a 13.6% increase over last week. 2,167 properties settled, marking a 34.11% increase over last week. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was this beautiful Burning Tree estate in Bethesda for $7 million. Now, the rental market remains consistent with inventory going under application in 25 days and an average rental price up to $23.45 per month. This actually could translate into a purchase sales price of $425,000 or more, depending on financing factors. That's where the market is at this week, Friday, December 17th, 2021. Check out the mini holiday event happenings around the area, both virtually and in person, at www.kbartonrealtor.com. And if you know of an event that should be added to our calendar, shoot me a message with the details. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.